Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we'll learn and solve exercise 12.2 questions 1 to 4 of chapter 12. Chapter name is Ratio and Proportion of class 6 of NCERT Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos, and please visit my blog mathsgrid.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state schools. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we learn and solve exercise 12.2 questions 1 to 4 of chapter 12. Chapter name is Ratio and Proportion and topic is proportion. Let's solve some questions. Now question number 4. Determine if the following ratios form a proportion. Also write the middle terms and the extreme terms where the ratios form a proportion. 25 centimeter is to 1 meter and 40 rupees is to 160 rupees. 25 centimeter by 1 meter will be 25 divided by 100. This is 1 by 4. And 40 rupees divided by 160 rupees is 40 divided by 40 is 1. 160 divided by 40 is 4. 1 divided by 4. So these ratios are in proportion. These are in proportion and middle terms are 1 meter and 40 meters middle terms, 40 rupees. 100 and 40. 1 meter and 40 rupees. These are middle terms, middle, and 25 centimeter and 160 rupees. These are in extreme terms. Now BB, 39 liters is to 65 liters and 6 bottles is to 10 bottles. These are in proportion. These ratios are in proportion or not, we have to check. And also we have to write the middle terms and the extreme terms. 39 liters divided by 65 liters. Between 39 and 65, 13 is the common factor. So 39 divided by 13 is 3 and 65 divided by 13 is 5. 3 divided by 5. And 6 bottles divided by 10 bottles is, dividing 6 with 2 is 3 and dividing 10 with 2 is 5. 3 divided by 5. Both are in equal, both the ratios are in equal, so these ratios form a proportion. So middle terms is middle terms 65 liter and 6 bottles, and extreme terms is 39 liters and 10 bottles. Extreme terms is 39 liters and 10 bottles. So these ratios form a proportion, and the middle terms are 65 liters and 6 bottles, and extreme terms are 39 liters and 10 bottles. Now third bit C, 2 kg is to 80 kg and 25 gram is to 625 gram. 2 kg divided by 80 kg. Between 2 and 80, 2 is the common factor. So dividing 2 with 2, we get 1. Dividing 80 with 2, we get 40. 1 divided by 40. And 25 gram divided by 625. Between 25 and 625, 25 is the common factor. So dividing 25 with 25, 1. And 625 with 25 is 25. 1 divided by 25. 1 divided by 40 is not equal to 1 divided by 25. So 2 kg, these ratios are not in proportion. Given ratios are not in proportion. Now dB 200 ml is to 2.5 liters and 4 rupees is to 50 rupees. 200 ml divided by 2.5 liters. 200 ml divided by 2.5 into 1000. That is 1 divided by 12.5, and 4 rupees divided by 50 is 2 divided by 25. 1 divided by 12.5 is not equal to 2 divided by 25. So these ratios are not in proportion. 200 ml is to 2.5 liter and 4 rupees is to 50 rupees are not in proportion. So given ratios are not in proportion. So these ratios are not in proportion. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.